Hi, this is Imran Hashmi.
Hello, this is me, Humayma Malik.
And you're watching us on
Bollywood Hungama.
This is Saurabh from Kolkata for Imran. How was the experience working with Paresh Rawal? That chemistry is important.
Yes, fantastic. I've worked with him in a film before this. But that was just a small bit. This one is an elaborate film, elaborate chemistry on screen. That's one of the chemistries also that's there in the film. It's the student-teacher chemistry, and it's like almost like Kung Fu Panda. It's like this guy who's a good for nothing, tripping over his feet kind of disciple, and his life is put into order by this man who is like a Zen master, who is obviously very reclusive. He's left everything. He's left the 400 BC and he's staying up in the hills in Dharamshala. And he goes to him and he pleads to him to kind of come back and teach him what the big fraud is, how to pull it off. So Paresh ji I've been a big fan of his. I saw him when I was I think 9 or 10 years old. I saw him in Naam. We used to frequent this trial. That's my whole thing of Bollywood. I used to see a lot of my uncle's films in a trial room, and I saw him first time as this villain, and I loved him in that film. And I loved him in most of in Hera Pheri. He's a fantastic actor, and he's just brought about. It could be serious the character, but he's brought the humor in this character, which is great, and the humor between these two guys, because they're poles apart in the film. He's disciplined. This guy's completely indisciplined. This guy thinks he's very, he thinks everything out. This guy's impulsive, Raja. So that chemistry really works, and that's actors can just do their job, and eventually the audience has to give the verdict. This is looking
right.
crazy.
Raja the, ab Natwarlal tumhe main banauga.
Yeah.
All right, last question to you. This is AJYAD from New York. Are you open to all types of genres in Bollywood, or do you just like to do mainstream?
I would want to do mainstream cinema, of course, but as being an actor, I would like to be open about it too. Why not? Yeah, I would like to experience all sorts of cinemas. Yeah.
Okay, something like a bold, not exactly like that, but on those terms.
Actually, I like that sort of a cinema more than this.
Because that comes, I think, naturally to you.
And I am that sort of an actor. I love acting-based things. I love taking challenges and doing something which is meaningful on screen rather than dancing in front of around the trees or singing a song for your hero. Because that's how I am. That's how I see myself as an actor. But this is also cool. Why not? If people are loving it, and this is what is selling right now, right? So yeah. So
what are you doing next in Bollywood?
Right now I'm not doing anything. I'm just waiting for Raja Natwarlal to get released. Yeah.
What are you doing next? What are your future plans? Only when is it promos coming out?
I'm finishing Mr. X now.
Mr. X, okay.
Mr. X has been shot for, and we're finishing it in the next month while this film is promoted. Ongli is releasing in November.
Right.
My international film is releasing end of the year, beginning of next year. We'll be going to festivals. It just got complete. Now the background is on. Background music is on as we speak. And Hamari Adhuri Kahani, which gets on floors in September, and it releases early next year.
That should be interesting.
Yeah.
And Bhatt Saab's somewhat autobiographical element into it as well.
Yes.
Fantastic. So thank you very much for being on Bollywood Hungama, and looking forward to Raja Natwarlal, and we hope that to see you guys more, maybe you in Bollywood films as such, and hope you continue to have Imran Hashmi dreams.
Yeah. I hope you continue to be possessive about me.
No, maybe good ones after Raja Natwarlal, hopefully.
Yeah.
Or they get scarier, either ways.
That we can only tell, no?
I have a feeling that she's not telling the truth.
Even my scary dreams are more exciting.
I've never seen him in my dream ever. That's a true story.
No, you said it on camera. Actually.
Joking me. What do you think?
It's just gone. It's already out. You already shot the gun.
Can't get the bullet. You've said it on camera.
It's out.
Now they have more promotion combinations.
What my Ammi Abu will think after this? Maybe like हमारी बेटी ऐसे ख्वाब देखती थी.
Thank you very much and all the best wishes.
Thank you so much.
That's all from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.